Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video and I hope you all are doing great so far. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. As you can see, I'm chilling in my bathrobe. That is because today in this video I am going to share my quick and easy pamper routine. So this is mom's pamper routine. I have a soon to be 2 years old toddler boy in my house and I love pampering myself. So for me, quick and easy pamper routine is what all I have. Also, I want to thank today's video sponsor, that is Gleeman. I'll talk more about them in the video. So now without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Okay, so the very first thing I do is the coconut oil hair mask. Generally, I lukewarm the oil and then apply, but because it's easy and quick pamper routine, that's why I am warming the oil in between my palms and then applying it all over my hair. I love to use cold pressed coconut oil on my hair and I have talked about it so many times in my previous videos. Then I leave it on my hair for 15 to 20 minutes depending on how much time I have. Then it's time for my skincare routine. For face wash, I am using the Inkey List Oat Cleanser. It is good for sensitive skin and great if you have any makeup on or any makeup residue. Of our lives, the best of times, through color glass. And for the face mask, I am using Gleeman Vitamin C Clay Mask. It comes with a cute little brush. Gleeman Vitamin C Clay Mask helps to fade the dark spot and hyperpigmentation. It also helps in softening the texture of your skin. It has natural certified organic ingredients such as aloe vera and turmeric with vitamin C that helps with evening the skin tone for a more radiant glow. Although turmeric is one of the key ingredients, this mask is stain free. I'm just keeping this mask on my face for 10 minutes and then wiping it with warm water. After using this face mask, my skin feels so soft, and because it is a clay mask, it does not leave my skin dry. And for hyperpigmentation, you have to at least use this mask for 2 to 3 weeks. Absolutely in love with this mask. Please check the description box for product link and more information. After that, it's time to take a relaxing bath, and for that I am making a bubble bath, and here I am using one of my favorite body shower gel, and I got this from the Target. It smells amazing, and also I love candles. So here I am using the cinnamon frosted smell. It's time for me to sit, relax and get some positive thoughts. Now for washing my hair, I am using Wow shampoo and Mama Earth hair mask. While shampooing, I like to massage my scalp, and lately I am seeing the difference on my hair. I love to do that just for 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. After the shower, I moisturize my body with a body cream, and also I moisturize my skin with a fresh rose deep hydration oil infused serum, and it is very hydrating, very nourishing for your skin. Now it's time for my hair, and on my hair I am applying the OGX Argan Oil as a serum, and I am applying it when my hair is still wet. This way you don't use much product and it spreads very easily and evenly on your hair, and I am leaving my hair like this to air dry. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you love it. All the products link is in the description box below, so don't forget to check that. Now I'm going to see you on my next video. Till then, bye and have a lovely day.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh,